is Brian Gavardella with MarineMax of Huntington. Today we're looking at the 31 Sea Ray SLX. Here we are at the back of the 31 SLX, powered by twin 300 Mercury engines in the white color scheme. Over here on the port side, you have a nice submersible swim step, so the kids or adults can get up and out of the water easily. You've got two Fusion radio speakers here, controls for your Fusion radio. This boat is also equipped with the lighting package, so all these cup holders have nice LED lights in them that'll give a nice glow at nighttime. The sun pad, these backrests fold up nicely, adjustable to any angle you want, and simply fold down flat. This boat is not short on storage. You have a lot of room here for any water toys, safety gear, or docking gear. Let's go into the cockpit and see what else this boat has to offer. One of the great things about the SLX series, these boats are really made for socializing. On the port side, your passenger seat will rotate all the way around. So now this whole area becomes a huge social situation. These bolsters fold up easily, so you're not tight here walking forward. On the port side, you have a nice stand-up head. And let's take a look at the helm. This boat is equipped with two Simrad displays, Fusion chart plotter navigation. It also has joystick control for easy maneuvering and docking, Simrad VHF radio, stainless steel buttons for your anchors, running lights, and windlass, and access to your Fusion radio. This is also the area where you will be operating your RGBW LED lighting throughout the boat. The bow of the 31 SLX. Nice door here to keep children and pets safe. Center floor, your bow table underneath, ample storage, two lounge chairs, and again your LED lighting throughout underneath all the cushions, two 12-inch Fusion radio speakers, and forward you have access to your windlass, anchor, and chain.
3, 2, 1.
If you are interested in this 31 Sea Ray SLX, contact us at MarineMax of Huntington, 631-424-2710.